Hey guys, so last week I had to volunteer for, well, I didn't have to, but I chose to, and I went to volunteer for this program called Mission, and it's pretty cool. I had to take care of some kids, and they were looking at some cool farm animals, and yeah, these are like, this is like where we were seeing the farm animals, and I got a little bit of video of it, so yeah, here it is. Yoshi.
That's a donkey.
Donkey.
Raise your hand if you haven't got to feed something yet and you want to.
You want the lizard?
Okay, one.
Where? Abby, don't touch it around this face.
Why?
Because it will bite you.
Right here?
Yeah, it's mean. It has like a cross on its back.
Yeah, okay, so Jack is called the Jerusalem donkey.
Oh,
That
Jerusalem.
cross on his back.
Just be careful.
Oh, that's
Getting
cool,
closer.
yes.
Be careful getting closer.
Wait, can we pet him?
Yeah, so you can like do his
Oh, he
back,
shakes
but,
right there.
Yeah, don't put your hands around his mouth because he'll think you have to bite you.
Oh, he's very soft.
Can you do that to him? Not really. Unless he also thinks you.
He's hot.
There you go, good job.
Hey,
The goats don't have names. Alright, that's enough. Alright, do the same thing, just like pour it out around here.
Some fell on his head.
Just like pour it in there. They'll eat it off the ground.
Cállate.
It's soft.
yeah, it is.
Touch it.
They feel. That one screams me. What's in here? Oh, there's nothing in there.
That's a big stomach.
This is the last one.
Why does it smell like donkey? You love me. It has a big
Okay, yeah, watch out. Yeah.
Is it pregnant?
Alright, this is the last one. No.
Wait, does it have a name?